Hello, welcome to my channel BBTechHub. In the previous video, I discussed about the NID, BID, how to find the host ID, and also how to find how many networks are in class and how many hosts are present in a network. And in this video, I will discuss about the types of IP address. So always remember one thing. In the world, we have divided the network into majoritarily two parts. As a majority, it is two parts we have divided the world's network. One we are calling it as private and another we call it as public. Private means we considered its LAN, and if I go for the public, we consider is at WAN. So when we are designing a private network, we are using one category of IP addresses, and while designing a public network, they are also we are using a different category of IP addresses. So far, that is, we call it as that IP address is two types. One is private, another is public. These private IP address is assigned by who is assigning? Administrator is assigned. But you see, in case of public, it is assigned by the ISP. Is it second? This private is a non-registered IP, means there is no registries maintained for this IP address. But of course, remember, these public IP address are the registered and it is maintained by the ISP. This private IP we are using in LAN. While we are configuring the LAN, we are assigning to the LAN host. But always remember, this public IP address is used while we are accessing the internet. If we don't have the public IP, we cannot access the internet. This private IP addresses, we are calling it as non-routable. Non-routable means we cannot access internet. We cannot access internet by using private IP. But if we are having the public IP, we can access internet. That means we can reroute, we can go out of our network. Is it? That means our data packets can travel from one network to another network. That's why we call it as a routable IP. But by using private IP, our data packet cannot travel from one network to another network. That's why we call it as a non-routable IP. Is it clear, everyone? So remember, this private use purpose, which IP addresses are reserved. So come to this page and you see, while configuring the class A, what happens? In case of class A, 10 network is reserved for the private use. Is it clear, everyone? So that is only one network is reserved for private use. Second, if I go for the class B, you can see 16 to 31. That means 16 networks are reserved for private use. Is it clear, everyone? And another network, that is 169, which we call this as APIPA. It is also a private IP address. So as a total, in case of class B, 17 networks are reserved for private use. And if I go for the class C, you can see this 192 not changed. 168 not changed, but here it is 0, here is 255, means there is 0 to 255 means 256 networks are reserved for private use. That means while configuring the LAN, if we want to use the IP, private IP, we can use 10 network from class A, we can use this 16 networks from class B, and we can use this 256 network for class B. Okay. Now here is a very good question is there. Can we assign public IP to LAN host? Everyone, is it clear? It's a very good question. Can we assign public IP address to the LAN host? Question is this. And the answer is yes, we can assign public IP to LAN host, but provided no gateway should be mentioned. No gateway should be mentioned. If we don't have any gateway in our LAN, so whatever the IP you are assigning, whether it is a private IP or whether it is a public IP, not an issue. But the moment you assign the gateway to your LAN host, that moment we have to assign the private IP to our LAN host. Else what will happen? If the gateway is there and your LAN host having public IP, so maybe you are trying to communicate with your LAN host with public IP, but maybe that IP will be redirected to the public host of any WAN. Am I clear? What happened? Suppose in your LAN, you are giving the public IP to your host and you are trying to communicate with that. But as gateway is open, so it may be redirected to the another WAN host. Is it clear, everyone? So that's why what happens when we are using the public IP in our LAN host, we should not mention any gateway to our host. Am I clear, everyone? So thank you, everyone, for today. Up to this.